In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up the stream from a PTZ-140 using its onboard encoder. So for the PTZ-140s, we do need to have a stream that does look like this here, or a stream URL. With the 140s, it does not support RTMP at the moment. So this is going to focus solely on using it to restream.io. And YouTube is a similar setup. So I'll kind of show how to lay out the YouTube one as well. So first thing we want to do is we want to sign into the web GUI for the PTC-140, which I am in here. You see my image. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to configuration. And we're going to go to stream publish. You can look at the video encode first. This is going to be your settings for it. So image is 1080 by 1920, constant bit rate of 3000 kilobits per second. And anything you do change here, you want to hit save. Next, we're going to go to stream publish. And as you can see, it's RTMP set by default. So we're going to hit enable on that. Now, this is where it's a little bit different in the setup. So by default, you're going to see RTMPs that are going to look like this, AV0 and AV1. So we're going to actually go back to Restream. We're going to copy our URL, and we're going to paste that in here. We're going to save that just to hold it in place. We're going to go back and we're going to get the stream key or stream name. We're going to come back and we're going to put that into the stream name portion. We'll just save that to hold it in place. So this is where it is just a little bit different for this particular encoder. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here. We're going to remove the RTMP : // We're going to delete that off of that URL because the encoder itself is already providing that portion, so it would be redundant to have both. And then we're going to remove the /live at the end. What we're going to do is we're going to take that /live though, we're going to cut it off. We're going to put it in front of the stream name here. So and put it in front of the stream name here, and we're going to do a / right behind that. We'll remove the front / as it's not needed. So this is the setup that you want to see here. So you're going to have live.restream.io, and you're going to have live / and then the stream key here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to save that. See, your parameters are saved successfully. And then we are going to go back to Restream. And you'll see the resolution, your bit rate, your frame, and your keyframe intervals as it loads up the video. And there we go. So now we do have the video coming from the PTC-140 being streamed over. And as the same with Restream.io, you can send it to YouTube, you can send it to Facebook, etc., from here, or you can also use the DV Cloud, which does offer the ability to stream to one destination and then stream out to multiple content delivery networks such as YouTube, Facebook, etc. Now, one thing I do want to show you is just the setup for YouTube on that as well. So we're going to go back to stream publish, and for YouTube we're going to go ahead and go over the YouTube page, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to copy it, we're going to put it into the stream URL, copy that because it is on a different window. There we go. Going to save that, and we're going to go back and copy the stream key, and we're going to put that in there. So the same thing that we did with the restream is we're going to remove this front portion here, and then we're going to remove that /live2 at the bottom. and we're going to put that at the very front of the stream key with a /. So we'll remove the / at the beginning, so it'll be just live to / and the stream key. Going to enable that, and we'll remove that at the end. So it should just be a.rtmp.youtube.com, and we're going to save that. So that should start the streaming portion over. We got it already going on Restream here. And then that should bring it up on YouTube. YouTube is being a little fickle at the time of this video, but it does function with YouTube. That's the wrong one. There we go. So these are the, this is the setup for Restream and YouTube. So we want to match these up and bring over the stream name and stream keys with just that last little bit on the end.